John with ProCare Services. I'm out here in Coto to Caza. We have a homeowner that had a water leak and they let it go for a period of time. This is not going to be an insurance claim, but we're going to kind of show you what we're doing to start the mitigation. The bathroom is right in here. I just wanted to show you though, today's Tuesday after the fires we had from Monday, and you can see over there in the hills, that's behind, I believe that's William Lyon's house. You can see the smoke going back there. Prior to most of our water damages, we set up paper to try to minimize any dust and drywall dust coming in and out of the house. Alright, I'm going to take you inside and show you what we did after our demolition. So we removed the drywall, the affected drywall, and we also had to remove the cabinetry right here. As you can see, it's completely gone. The countertop and the vanity was unsavable, so we had to end up throwing that away. Over here you can see we placed blowers around to dry the studs. The saturation is 100% on the lower plate. We take our Trimex moisture meter, and as you can see, we're wet all along here. And we stopped right there. This is the wardrobe closet. The water migrated inside. As you can see, we have chalk line cuts all the way around. That is where the water damage has wicked up into the wall. Prior to starting the filming, we removed the wet carpet and the pad because it was soaking wet. As you can see, these walls are all wet, so these are gonna all have to be removed. Especially when we see mold on the other side, our concern is that there's possibly mold inside these walls just because it hasn't been treated for such a long time. As I stated before, the homeowner has let this go for a while, and so underneath, inside this cabinet, you can see the extensive mold that has gone all the way underneath here. What happens is, during a hot water leak, the humidity builds up and mold grows really fast. Underneath, as you can see, it's all wet. It's pretty high. The homeowner said that they want us to remodel their bathroom, so we're going to end up pulling this out, the shower, and we're going to end up pulling the vanity out along with the countertop. I just wanted to show you something. The baseboard has a splitting right here. It's a sure sign that there's some type of water damage issue going on. It doesn't happen all the time, but if you ever do see this and you have had a slab leak or a pipe leak, there's definitely most likely an issue going on. Give us a call for a free survey just to make sure. If this was the only area that we had a concern about, we would probably tell you guys how to take care of this on your own, so that way you didn't have to use us. It's pretty minimal, but since it's so extensive in here and we have such amount of mold underneath this cabinet, then it's definitely something that we need to handle for you. We'll go take a look around on the side and I'll show you what we did. So we took the containment, placed a containment around the area that shares common with the bathroom, and set up drying equipment. If you want to take a peek inside here, you can see that we placed another dehumidifier and a couple blowers, and we're going to turn them on and get it drying. Let's go over here, and these walls are going to be removed. We're going to have to isolate this air intake because this is for the air conditioner. It is not on, but we're going to plastic the air intake off to make sure no pollutants goes inside. Come around here. This is the back side of the bathroom, and as you can see, this is where the plumber made the repair, and these walls are all wet. And it's going up about 2 feet all the way around, and as you can see, it doesn't look like there's very much going on, but the walls are all soaked. Thank you for watching. This is John with ProCare Services. You can call us at 949-463-7054 if you would like to get a free moisture survey for any home in South Orange County in the last 5 days that's had a leak. Thank you so much for watching.